Today we will be talking about derivatives in calculus. First, what is a derivative? For any function, f of x, the derivative of the function, f prime of x, is the new function which represents the slope of the tangent or the instantaneous rate of change at any point on the original function f of x. The derivative of a function, f of x, is a new function, f prime of x, defined by f prime of x is equal to limit as h approaches 0, f of x plus h, minus f of x divided by h, if the limit exists. This is the formula that is used to find the derivative of a function. It is called the first principles. Now let's look at example 1. Use first principles to determine the derivative of the function f of x is equal to 5x squared. First, write the first principles equation, f prime of x is equal to limit as h approaches 0, f of x plus h, minus f of x divided by h. Next, let's sub 5x squared into the first principles equation. We get 5 times x plus h squared, minus 5x squared, divided by h. Always keep the limit notation before the equation. We only get rid of it when we sub 0 in for h at the very end. Next, we have to simplify this equation. So limit as h approaches 0, 5 times x squared plus 2x h plus h squared, which is just x plus h squared expanded, minus 5x squared, divided by h. Next, we expand the 5 into the bracket. So limit as h approaches 0, 5x squared, plus 10x h plus 5h squared, minus 5x squared, divided by h. Now notice how we have positive 5x squared and a negative 5x squared. Since they are the same number but opposite signs, they cancel, and we are left with 10x h plus 5h squared divided by h. We can factor out a common factor in the numerator, which is h, and we left with h times 10x plus 5h divided by h. Now the h in the top and the bottom cancel, and all is left is 10x plus 5h. Now that is simplified. We can sub in 0 for h and get rid of the limit notation. 5 times 0 is 0, so all we are left for in our final answer is 10x. So f prime of x is equal to 10x. This means that 10x is the derivative of 5x squared. Determine f prime of negative 2. What does it represent? So in this part of the question, it's asking us to sub negative 2 for x and explain what the answer represents. Let's start by writing our derivative equation, f prime at x is equal to 10x. Next, sub negative 2 for x, so 10 times negative 2. We get negative 20. So what does this number represent? This number represents the instantaneous rate of change and the slope of the tangent to the original function at x equal negative 2. This means that at x equals negative 2, the instantaneous rate of change is negative 20. It also means that the tangent line, which is a straight linear line drawn on the original function, has a slope of negative 20. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.